What you're seeing now is a subtle, responsive highlight that flashes exactly where the user has clicked, paired with satisfying audio feedback that brings life to the interaction. Let's break down how it works, step by step. Let's set the stage by designing a proper backdrop. We'll use a dark blue background, something deep and clean, with a lighter blue border around the edges. At the center, we add a much lighter, almost glowing panel. This is where our puzzle tiles will be stacked. It helps them stand out clearly against the rest of the stage. Now, let's improve the visibility of our timer and move counter. Right-click on each variable on the stage and change their display mode to large readout. This makes the numbers bold and prominent, giving players a clear view of their progress while solving the puzzle. Once that's in place, we can move on to adding the interactive highlight to make every click feel more responsive. We begin by creating a new sprite. It's a simple rectangle, exactly the size of one tile in our puzzle. The rectangle has no fill, only a thick border. Set the outline thickness to 14 and choose a light yellow color that contrasts gently with the puzzle background. You only need one costume for this sprite. Inside the tile sprite, when a tile is clicked, we set two global variables, tile X and tile Y, to store the current position of the click tile. Then, from within that same tile script, we create a clone of the highlight sprite. So the highlight sprite doesn't listen for a broadcast. It only responds to one thing, when it starts as a clone. When the highlight clone is created, it goes straight to the stored tile X and tile Y positions. Then it becomes visible. We wait 0.3 seconds, then slowly increase the ghost effect by 25 to make it fade out. Once the tiles have finished moving, the game sends out a broadcast called repaint. When the highlight clone receives this repaint signal, it deletes itself, cleaning up the screen and making sure there are no leftover effects. This small glow gives players subtle feedback for each tap and makes the puzzle feel more interactive. We're not done yet. Let's now add audio feedback. We use two sound effects, one for clicking a tile and one for a successful swap. When a tile is clicked, we play a soft tap sound. This gives instant confirmation that the click was registered. Then, once the tile finishes swapping with another, we play a gentle whoosh sound, reinforcing the feeling of motion. These small touches, visual glows and simple sounds, bring the game to life and give it that extra polish.